You are watching Noor's Artsy Hangout. Video starting in 3, 2, 1, 0. Hey Artsies! Welcome back to another nature video. Today I am going to show you some fun squirrels. He's so cute. He's literally stuck in the tree. There's a squirrel in the tree. Look, another squirrel. It looks like it's looking for something.
He found a flower petal to eat.
He looks so cute. I think he is done with his meal.
Another squirrel. I wonder what he is eating. OMG, he is digging for his food. Is he eating a mini cabbage? I got really close to this squirrel, I think. It's scared of me. He is so cute.
Run.
This cute squirrel stole a flower and is eating it. Thanks for watching. More nature vids coming soon.